Are you guys trying to restore a shitty Chevy? Are you having trouble with a wing window? Well, let me tell you how to fucking do it. So you want to get this son of a bitch off of there. God damn it, stay where I fucking put you. So you're like, oh, I gotta get this off. This seems simple, right? Maybe it just screws on there. Maybe I just gotta like spin it around. It unscrews from the fucking looking like a bolt or something. No, it don't. It don't fucking do that. It don't work that way. There's a fucking hole right there. See that fucking hole? It's on both sides. So you can pick whichever side you want to fucking start at. This one's gonna be the easy side. So you take your little I don't know, get yourself a nail, a sharp needle dick, something that you can fucking put in there, a punch, and just start working it out, because inside's a roll pin. And after you knock that fucking roll pin out, you then fucking remove it. Yeah, I'm saying fucking a lot. After you do that, now you gotta take this son of a bitch out. Now that fucking thing fights. You sons of fucking, get the fuck out of there! Oh yeah, after you take that off, there should be like a little wave washer in there. Take that son of a bitch out of the way. Now I already took it off because I'm cheating. I'm just trying to get this shit done real quick. I gotta get that motherfucker out, bitch! So, after you get that off there, be careful. Because there's a fucking spring in there. It'll come off and it'll shoot you in the fucking penile area, right in the fucking dick hole. And once you get hit in the dick hole, your day's done. And then inside there, as you see, there's like an Allen screw. And you just undo that fucking Allen screw, and the whole motherfucking thing falls apart. The end. See how easy is that?